Welcome back. This is round one in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Meadowbrook Prep on 5 and Naggo Primary on 6. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Matthew Nelson of Meadowbrook Prep, who is up against Markada Brown, the captain of Naggo Primary. Matthew, we begin with you. What is the sum of 44.5 and 98.8?
143.3.
That's right. If 13 meters of carpet costs $52, how much will 7 meters of the same carpet cost?
$28.
That's right. In a triangle ABC, angle A equals 39 degrees and angle B equals 46 degrees. What's the value of the third angle, C?
$92.
That's incorrect. Captain, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you, Miss.
Go ahead.
95 degrees.
95 degrees is correct. Matthew, how many kilograms are in 2.2 tons?
$220 kilograms.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, thank you, Miss. .0022 kilograms.
That's incorrect. It's 2,200 kilograms. Matthew, 39 mangoes are shared between Mark and Paul. That Paul gets half the amount that Mark gets. How many mangoes does Paul get? Question passes. Captain, want to try?
No, thank you, Miss.
It's 13 mangoes. Captain, we're now over to you. What is the sum of 87.9 and 56.7?
144.6.
That's right. If 14 boxes of plums cost $70, how much will 6 boxes of the same plums cost? Time's up. Matthew, want to try?
Yes, please. $30.
That is correct. Captain, in a triangle ABC, angle A equals 78 degrees and angle B equals 48 degrees. What's the value of the third angle, C?
$54 degrees.
That's correct. How many grams are in 5.2 kilograms? Time's up. Matthew, want to try?
No, ma'am.
It's 5,200 grams. Captain, $55 is shared between James and John, so that James gets 4 times as much as John. How much does James get?
$44.
That is correct. Taking us now to face-off number 2 in the category of science. It's between Aaron Palmer of Meadowbrook Prep, who is up against Sahai Henry of Naggo Primary. Aaron, what's another name for the incus in the air?
The earwax.
That's incorrect. Sahai, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Anvil.
Anvil is correct. Aaron, to which group of vertebrate animals do snakes belong?
Reptiles.
That's right. How many plane mirrors are used in a simple periscope?
2.
That's right. Which part of a flower provides scent to attract insects and birds? Time's up. Sahai, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
the petals. Aaron, what's the name for the tiny roots that absorb nutrient from the soil?
The roots. Caps.
That's incorrect. Sahai, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Radical.
That's also incorrect. We were looking for root hairs. Sahai, we're now over to you. What's another name for the malleus in the air?
Hammer.
That's right. How many chambers are in the hearts of mammals?
4.
That's correct. Which of the following shows that light can be broken up into different colors? Is it cellophane paper, a prism, or a color wheel?
A color wheel.
That's incorrect. Aaron, want to try?
Your prism?
Is correct. Sahai, what's the name for the structure that protects a flower when it is in bud?
The petal.
That's incorrect. Aaron, want to try?
Yes, thank you. The sepal?
That is correct. Sahai, what's the name for the growing tip of plant roots?
Pass.
Aaron, would you like to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's the root cap, which takes us now to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between Ashley Gray of Meadowbrook Prep, who's up against Nathan John Keith of Naggo Head Primary. Ashley, spell the singular form of indices.
INDICIS.
That's incorrect. Nathan, want to try? Nathan, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
The singular form of indices is index, spelled INDEX. Ashley, does the word astute mean dumb, clever, or ridiculous?
Clever.
That's correct. Complete the proverb. The grass is always greener on.
The outside.
That's incorrect. Nathan, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's the other side, not the outside. Ashley, change the tense in this sentence to the future continuous tense. I went to school on Monday.
I am going to school on Monday.
That's incorrect. Nathan, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's I will be going to school on Monday. Ashley, form an abstract noun from tolerate.
Toleration.
That's incorrect. Nathan, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's tolerance. Nathan, we're now over to you. Spell the singular form of radii.
RADIUS.
That is correct. Radius is correct. Nathan, does the word placid mean calm, boisterous, or animated?
Calm. Calm.
That's correct. Complete the proverb. The pen is mightier than.
The pencil.
That's incorrect. Ashley, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the sword. Nathan, change the tense in this sentence to the past tense. I will be singing in the choir on Sunday.
I sang in the choir on Sunday.
That's correct. Form an abstract noun from mature.
Maturity.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of social studies. It's between the captain of Meadowbrook Prep, Captain Keon Plummer, is up against Malik Howard of Naggo Head Primary. Captain Keon, what's the name of the highest mountain in Africa?
Mount Andes.
That's incorrect. Malik, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Mount Kilimanjaro. Captain, what's the name for the size of an earthquake?
Seismology.
That's incorrect. Malik, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's magnitude. Captain, in which Jamaican parish is the Castleton Botanical Gardens?
St. Mary.
That's right. Rio Cauto is the longest river in which Caribbean country?
Cuba.
That's right. Complete this statement with the correct word. A large stretch of land projecting into an ocean is called a?
Peninsula.
That is correct. Taking us over to Malik. What's the name of the highest mountain in South America?
Pass.
Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
Mount Aconcagua. What is the name for the severity of ground shaking at a location where an earthquake occurs? Question passes to you, Captain. Want to try?
Yes, thank you. Intensity?
That is correct. Malik, in which Jamaican parish is the Milk River Spa?
Clarendon.
That's right. The Constitution River is the largest river in which Caribbean country?
Trinidad and Tobago?
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Barbados. Malik, complete this statement with the correct word. A long, narrow stretch of land joining two large land masses is called an?
Isthmus.
That is correct. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Meadowbrook on 17 and Naggo Head also on 17. Stay tuned. The final challenge will determine our winners right after this break.